In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add borders around sheets on dashboards in Tableau. Let's dive right into it to ensure your dashboards not only function well, but also look visually appealing with clean, defined borders. Start by launching the Tableau application on your computer. Once the application is up and running, navigate to the dashboard you want to edit or create a new one. If you're not sure how to navigate to your worksheet, you'll typically find it under the File menu, allowing you to open recent files or browse your system for existing projects. Now that you're in your worksheet, it's time to switch over to the dashboard view. You'll find the dashboard option at the top of your screen within the main navigation menu. Click on it to access your workspace where the magic happens. Next, let's incorporate some layout design into your dashboard. Look for the option to insert a container. Specifically, you want to select a horizontal container from the Add Objects pane on the left-hand side. Click and drag this container onto your dashboard. This acts as a frame that will contain and organize the different sheets or visual elements you wish to display together. Once your horizontal container is in place, focus your attention to the left top corner of the interface where the Layout tab is located. This is crucial as it provides all the layout options you need to enhance the appearance of your dashboard. In the Layout pane, you will see a section dedicated to borders. Click on the drop-down menu here. This is where the fun part begins. You're now able to choose the exact style and color of the border that you'll apply to your container. Simply pick the one that suits your visual theme. After setting up the borders for your container, return to the Dashboard tab. This ensures that you remain in the correct context for adding details. Now it's time to drag a particular sheet into your container, ensuring it fits within the borders you've just styled. Doing so helps maintain consistency across your dashboard. Finally, revisit the Layout tab. Select the container that now holds your sheet and navigate back to the border options within this panel. You can apply your chosen border style again if needed, ensuring that each visual component of your dashboard maintains a consistent look and feel. Remember, you can apply these settings to all containers within your dashboard, helping you maintain a professional and well-organized presentation. Not only does this make your dashboard look neat, but it also aids in readability, ensuring your audience can clearly distinguish between different data segments presented. With these tips in hand, you're well on your way to mastering dashboard aesthetics in Tableau. Happy designing!